Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to color someone's hair at home. What you'll need is a coloring bowl, your brush, gloves, your hair color and developer, as well as your comb and sectioning clips. So today I'm coloring my client's hair who has gray roots, so we're just going to color the roots. What you're going to need to do to start is comb out the hair completely. Just make sure there's no tangles, anything. And then what you're going to do is you're going to split the hair in the middle. And you're going to split it all the way from the front to the back. And this is where we're going to start applying the color. Is right in the middle. And you're just going to follow along to where you can see that her hair needs color, right where her roots are. So you're going to go on both sides and just start that line down the center. Now that I've done that, I'm going to do the same thing to the back. So I'm just going to take the tip of my comb or my color brush, and that's going to help me just get a straight line. And it's just going to be the same thing to the back. And just go all the way down. Next, you're gonna just want to do that again. Just above her ear is where you're gonna want to make that part. And this is where, if they have long hair, you can use section clips just to help you, just to get the hair out of the way. So you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side, just above the ear. So now that you have 4 sections of the hair, that's a good place to start. The next thing I'm going to do is the perimeter of her hair. So that's all of her hairline, including the back of her hairline as well. Also just going to cover the back hairline too. Now that you have your sectioning in place, You're going to start from one quadrant of the hair at a time. So what you're going to do is just take a small section like this, flip it over, and you're going to continue to color her roots. Once I have enough color on my brush, I then again go over the other side just for extra saturation. And again, I'm using the edge of my color comb to help me section the hair. It's important that you're taking small sections of hair to make sure that you're not missing any pieces. Have one section done. I'm going to go ahead over to the next section here and do the same thing. If it's easier, you can bring the table closer to you so you have your color right next to you as well. We'll go on to the back, and again it's the same thing. I'm going to focus on the left side here. Just going to take a small section, place it over top, and do the same thing. In case you're lost on where to color the hair, you're going to use those first two sections we did from the middle and on top of the ear as guides. So if you're going to want to go from the one guide all the way to the next guide. So for the very last section, you're just going to do the exact same thing, starting from the top and working your way all the way down. So now that you've colored all of her roots, we are done with applying the color. For her specific color, we're going to wait 35 minutes and then we'll rinse it off. Thanks for watching.